Welcome back to our FAQ series. Today, we will focus on run-on sentences. We will also look at how to solve them easily. So, take out your notebooks and let's begin. In today's video, we will define what run-on sentences are. For a comprehensive understanding, we will also cover independent clauses, phrases, fragments, and comma splices. Run-on sentences occur when two or more independent clauses are joined together without appropriate punctuation or conjunctions. An independent clause is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. It usually contains a subject and a predicate. Punctuation marks are commas, semicolon, colons, and full stops. They are used to indicate pauses or separate elements within a sentence. Conjunctions are words that connect different elements of a sentence. Let's bring all of these elements together using an example. I went to the store is one independent sentence. I bought some milk is another independent sentence. These are complete thought by themselves and do not require any additional information. These two independent sentences are not connected using any punctuation or conjunction or both. This is what is commonly referred as a run-on sentence, two or more independent sentences one after another. In order to rectify this error, we have added the punctuation, comma, and the conjunction and between these two independent sentences. So, two complete sentences needs a pause and a conjunction. Simple, right? As long as you understand the difference between a complete thought and an incomplete thought. A major difference between them is that a complete thought has a subject and its associated predicate, which is a verb and slash or an object of the verb. An incomplete thought will be missing the subject or the predicate. In the example, we see that it's the subject that is missing. Here are some examples of incomplete thoughts and their corrected versions. In the third example, we see that there is a subject and a predicate in the sentence, but it still is a fragment due to the conjunction because conjunction connect different words, phrases, or sentences together. In this case, because needs another independent sentence to make it into a complete sentence, as shown below it. We see something similar occur in the fourth example as well. Here, it's using when. Phrases and fragments. Phrases serve as parts of speech of a sentence, while fragments are incomplete sentences that cannot function as an independent sentence. In the example for phrases, we see that in the garden is used to convey additional details. Even without it, the rest of the sentence is complete with the subject, I, and the predicate, saw a butterfly. In the fragmented version, the subject is missing and this cannot stand alone as an independent sentence. Another type of run-on sentence is a comma splice. This error occurs when a conjunction is missing and two independent sentences are combined using only a comma. Here's an example of a comma splice. Given below are the corrected versions. In the first, we separate both independent sentences using a full stop. In the second, we use a semicolon. The third one uses a conjunction and a comma together, and the fourth one uses a conjunction in the beginning and a comma to separate the independent statements. Can you solve the following errors? Pause the video if you have to. We saw different variations of the corrected sentences earlier. Likewise, your answers could be different than mine. Now, can you fix this short paragraph? Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on social media as well. If you need our help preparing for OET, message or email us at learn@define.org. Until next time, take care.